Assalamu alaikum students. We are doing chapter number 7 triangles, and today we will do question number 6 from exercise 7.2. This question states triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC, side BA is produced to D such that AD equals to AB. Show that angle BCD is a right angle. Let's first understand what is given to us. It is given to us that AB equals to AC and AD equals to AB. This side AB and this side AC, they are equal to each other. Again, that this side AB and this side AD, they are equal to each other. Now, if you look at this carefully, you'll find that AB equals to AC as well as AD equals to AB equals to AD. What does this imply us? As AB is equal to both AC as well as AD, this implies to us AB equals to AC equals to AD. That means all these three sides are equal to each other. Keep this in your mind that these three sides are equal to each other. Now move forward. What we have to prove? We have to prove angle C, which is this angle over here. We have to prove that this angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, now let's prove it. For the proof, I will consider first a triangle ABC, which is this triangle ABC. In this triangle, side AB, this side, and side AC, this side, they are equal to each other. And we know that we have stated this theorem already, that if in a triangle two sides are equal, then the angle opposite to those two sides will also be equal to each other. This means that angle B and angle C, they will also be equal to each other. And that's what I have written over here. I have stated that angle ACB equals to angle ABC, or simply angle C equals to angle B. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Now let's move on to the other triangle. And which triangle is that? The other triangle is triangle ACD. ACD. So I have said that in triangle ACD. Now in this triangle, this side AD and this side AC are equal to each other. We have already shown it here that these two sides are equal. Again, if two sides are equal, then what about the two angles? Opposite angles. Yes, the angles opposite to these two sides will also be equal. That is angle D and angle C, they will also be equal to each other. Or we can say that angle ADC, which is simply angle D, and angle ACD, they are equal to each other, and the reason is angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Now moving forward, what I do now is I consider the whole triangle, which is triangle, this one, triangle BCD. So I can say triangle BCD. What I have done is angle B, this angle B, this angle, angle C, this angle, and angle D, this angle. Now these are the three angles of a triangle, and we know by angle sum property that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So that is what I have written in here. Angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to 180 degree. I just proved that angle B is equal to angle ACB, or which I have stated over here in this statement here. I've said that angle ABC, which simply means angle B, is equal to angle ACB. So instead of B, I can write down angle ACB. So instead of B, I wrote down ACB because I have proved them they are equal. C I have kept unchanged. I have written as it is. Instead of angle D, I have shown that angle D is equal to angle ACD in here. You can see that angle D is equal to angle ACD. So instead of D, what do I wrote down? I wrote down ACD. Now in the next step, I just rearranged a little. I wrote down ACB and ACD together, nothing else. I have changed nothing here, just rearranged it. ACB and ACD I have written together. Now in the figure, if you look for what does ACB and ACD combine together, what do they make, which angle do they make? Now let's have a look at this. If you look at ACB, it is this angle, this is ACB, and if you look at ACD, it is this angle. Now have a look at this and tell me which angle do they add up together, which angle do they form. Yes, you can see that they together make angle C. So instead of ACB and ACD, I wrote down angle C, which is in here. You can see that instead of ACB and ACD, when I added them together, you can see from the figure that they make this whole angle, which is angle C. So instead of ACB, ACD adding together, I wrote down angle C. And this C, which was already there, I kept it unchanged. So angle C plus angle C makes twice angle C, equals to 180. Transposing 2 on to the other side, so it was in multiplication here, it will get divided here. Angle C equals to 180 by 2. Angle C equals to 90, and that is what we had to prove, that angle C is a right angle. Now regarding question number 7 and question number 8, I have attached their solutions alongside. They are very easy questions. That's your homework, to understand those questions and to write down those questions on your fair notebook. If you are not able to understand, if you have any confusion, you can contact me in Google classes or WhatsApp me. Thank you.